Hey guys, welcome to week 2. We survived the first week, so yay for us. 8-week classes are a lot, so I'm not even going to sugarcoat that. I know that. So every week that we complete is a success. I just want to give a very quick welcome to week 2 and what the expectations are for this week so that you know. Let me share my screen. So you see our course here. Last week I mentioned that everything in course information will be available to you. And so I don't want to go over that. But for week 2, we've got a whole list of things to do. So we're reading 2 chapters. We're reading chapters 2 and 3. We've got 2 deadlines this week. But I still think this week is a little less stressful than last week. So on Thursday, we're reading, you need to have chapters 2 and 3 read. They're not too terribly long. Don't necessarily read both of them in one sitting, but you do you. We've got a chapter 2 quiz that's in Blackboard, and then we've got a chapter 2 expert session. It's in Stukent. So the expert session is a video that you watch, and it comes with quiz questions. That is all embedded in Stukent, and in just a minute, I'll click out of this and show it to you. On Sunday, September 1st, we've got our first discussion question due and the 2 posts after that. If I could tell you anything, go ahead early in the week before Thursday and answer the discussion post first, and then your 2 subsequent response posts are due in Blackboard by Sunday. So you've got all week, not just Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but I want you to know, waiting till Sunday to start the discussion question is not going to help anything. Just hear me. It's open all week. Let's do that all week. But deadlines for everything else, chapter 2 quiz on Thursday, the chapter 2 expert session video and corresponding quiz is due on Thursday. And then the chapter 3 quiz is due on Sunday. So 2 chapters this week. Don't panic, but it is two chapters. I'm going to switch my screen because I want you to see this. Let me reshare. Here we go. Okay. So this is chapter 2. So this is the Stu Kemp, the ebook. So we're in chapter 2, understanding startup decisions. And here is, all the individual sections of the chapter. You've got a glossary. When you see assignments and projects, and I probably should have said this last week and I didn't, these are suggested. Just because they're in Stukent doesn't mean we're going to do them all. Keep that in mind. There is a ton of assignments in Stukent. If I don't mention it in the video or in your list of things to do in Blackboard, we're not doing it, okay? You're welcome to do them, but I'm not going to grade them. This week, you have a chapter 2 quiz, and I'm not trying to confuse you. And I've really I've thought about the best way to do this. The chapter 2 quiz, although there is a link here, this link is not going to work. The chapter 2 link, the chapter 2 quiz is in Blackboard. You'll take it in Blackboard, not in Stukent. Okay. So then you click the chapter 2 expert session. Well, watch the expert session first. It is a video interview with Danica Porter. It's a short video. If I remember, it's 20 minutes. It's not long. And then there are quiz questions that go after it. There's only 7 questions. You answer the 7 questions, and then you move on. Here's something else I want you to see. Student resources. You have, because I doubt that you have the instructor resources, you have lecture slides, and I've got a lecture slide video up where I used most of the lecture slides in this. I didn't use all of them. There's a couple of sections in this chapter that I'm moving somewhere else, but you have the lecture slides. They're here. you also have, well, I lied. I thought you actually had another thing. Anyway, I don't want to confuse us on this video. I'll backtrack on that. Number one, there is a video in Blackboard of me going over these lecture slides right here, no matter what. The e-commerce platforms where you can sell things, when that's referenced in your chapter, they're giving you the direct links in case you're ready to set up your own e-commerce site. So here is that, and you'll see that in the book. Okay. Next, chapter 3, building a brand. Same thing. Read your chapter. The chapter 3 quiz itself that's listed here, you need to use the link in Blackboard. This link will not work in StuKent. It's in Blackboard. Again, lecture slides. And then there will be a reference to some swag and merch vendors when you're reading. So keep that in mind too. Okay. I hope I didn't thoroughly confuse us all. So chapters 2 and 3. Chapter 2 quiz and chapter 3 quizzes are in Blackboard. The expert session is in StuKent. Okay. It is in there. You'll take it in StuKent. Once I get the scores, I'll put them in Blackboard for us. Okay. So don't anybody panic. I know 8 weeks is a lot. It's go, go, go the whole time. And I kind of personally get frustrated when things don't work out as seamless as I had planned them. But for now, chapters 2 and 3, if you are concerned about anything, if you're worried, don't worry, but reach out to me. Don't suffer in silence. Okay. So chapter 2 and 3, you've got those 2 quizzes. You've got the expert session video where they're interviewing her, Danica Porter, and the questions that go along with the video. And then there is a discussion. Plan for the discussion for the whole week. Chapter 2 quiz and expert session due Thursday. Chapter 3 quiz and the rest of the discussion question due Sunday. Okay? I think it's less this week than last week. But once we get through week 2, we're a quarter of the way done. Like, we are getting there quick, okay? And in October, our class will be done, and we will get to relax for a hot minute, okay? You've got this. It's wonderful. I'm so glad you're here. Don't give up. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.